Start production immediately with the turnkey vertical farming systems, the agricultural technology of the future. Grow the most nutritious plants while reaching high production capacity in small areas with controlled environment. Easier planting process due to stable production. Vertical farming works by circulating a nutrient solution through the roots of the plants and the reservoir. This nutrient solution is automatically controlled and adjusted for the mineral content and pH. Plantekno is producing the advanced LED grow light technology designed for efficient lighting as well as cost efficiency. The spectrum and intensity adjustment for different commercial or scientific applications can also be supplied by wireless connection and deliver unlimited lighting strategy. Tartest delivers the unique and interactive automatic control system using best-in-class sensors and programming, including dashboard, main screen, calibration, alarm report, user screen, recipe, live camera, cost adjustment, contact information, inside temperature trend, inside humidity trend, inside carbon dioxide trend, water conductivity trend, water pH trend, water temperature trend, inside temperature humidity trend, outside temperature humidity trend, plant weight nutrient consumption trend, and cost trend. Real-time data can also be requested. This is a modular system that is easy to install and dismantle, easily using 100% anodized aluminum shelves, eliminating any risk of oxidization or corrosion. Imagine you can start your business quickly with flexibility on capacity and plant species. Innovation for agriculture. Agriculture for the world.